In this video, I will show you how to protect Twitter login with two-factor authentication using USB security keys, and a few more extra tips that will raise the level of security in Twitter account. In the previous video, we learned about installing Authy Authenticator mobile phone Android app, which is also a great way of two-step verification on Twitter. You can find that video in YouTube iCards or in the end screen of this video. USB security keys are hardware-based two-step verification for adding extra layer of security to social media accounts. They are also called as physical security keys or U2F keys, meaning Universal Second Factor Authentication keys. The key I am using today is Yubico Security Key. It is also known as U2F and FIDO2 USB-A two-factor authentication key. You do not need any extra drivers or software for this key. As you can see, I have already ordered one of these keys from Amazon, which is going to be used for Twitter account. You just need to plug it into the computer in which you are signing in. Now open the Twitter account on the computer and click on More option located at the bottom left of the screen. Now click on Settings and Privacy located just above the Help and Center. On the Settings page, tap on Accounts option. This will open the Accounts page. You will see a subheading which says Login and Security. You can see the username, email, etc. Now scroll down a little bit and tap on Security option, which is located above the Data and Permission. On the security page, there are two options here. First one is two-factor authentication and the second one is password reset protection. Click on two-factor authentication option. Two-factor authentication page has three options. The first one is text message, the second one is authentication app, and the third one is security key. Click on the third option, which is security key. Now a new pop-up window will open here which says enter your password. So enter the password and click on verify button within a blue color box. Security key page will open now. It starts with a line. Use a physical security key to log in into the twitter.com using a supported web browser. Click on start button within a blue color box. Security key setup window will open now. It starts with a line. Set up your security key to sign in twitter.com and then some digits. Insert the USB security key in the computer and click on OK button. If you have set the security key pin, then type in the pin and click on the OK button. And if not, then just touch the USB security key at the middle where it has a blinking LED. Another page opens here with a heading which says verify the security key. Now touch the USB security key one more time and it's done. After that, Twitter will show you a message which says you are all set. Now click on Got It option within a blue color box. In two-factor authentication page of the Twitter, you can see that the security key has a checkmark option. It means that you have successfully added a USB security key to the Twitter account. If no checkmark option is showing, then do not worry. Just repeat the process and Twitter might show you the tick mark in the option. Now click on Backup Codes option under the Additional Methods. Twitter will also show you 12-digit single-use backup code. Write it down, store it in a safe place. This will also help us to recover the Twitter account in case of emergency. So now let's test this. I am logging out of my Twitter account and it's done. Now I am entering the username and password and clicking on Login button. Let's say instead of USB security key option, Twitter shows login with the authentication app. Then do not worry, there is an option at the bottom which says choose a different two-factor authentication method. Click on it. Now you will see different two-step verification methods that have been enabled on this device. For example, text message, security key, backup code, and authentication app. Click on security key option. A new page is open here, so insert the security key into the computer. Then it will ask you to touch the security key. Now touch the USB security key where it has a blinking LED. As soon as you touch the button, you will be logged in into the Twitter account. As you can see, we have successfully logged in into the Twitter account. You might want to use a combination of USB security keys and Authenticator app, because this will ensure that you can access the Twitter account through Authenticator app if you do not have the security key. Authenticator app will help us signing into a new phone. Remember to store single-use backup code of Twitter in a safe place. Here is an extra security tip. Use an encrypted VPN that will protect your private information and sensitive data from snoopers while surfing the web at public Wi-Fi, hotels, airports, and corporate offices, etc. So this was the quick introduction of using two-factor authentication on Twitter using USB security key. If you like this video, then consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for future updates about useful videos. I hope this video was helpful to you, so share this video with friends.